GOT channel. We will introduce the alarm display function of the GOT2000 Drive Control interactive function. Normally, alarms from servo amplifiers cannot be confirmed without opening the electrical cabinet, and it is hard to check corrective actions for the alarm. By using the alarm display function, you can confirm the current alarms and the detailed information on GOT without opening a cabinet. First, touch the alarm operation start switch to generate an alarm in a servo amplifier. An alarm has occurred. Touch the alarm switch to display the alarm display screen. On the alarm display screen, you can check the current alarms and alarm history of the servo amplifier. When you touch the manual display switch, the manual list screen appears, and you can check the details of the alarm on the manual. You can quickly check the alarm details and thus reduce downtime. Also, when you touch the status display at alarm occurrence switch on the alarm display screen, you can check the servo amplifier status at the alarm occurrence. The alarm display function enables you to check the alarm details on the on-site GOT, and you can take corrective actions quickly when a problem occurs.